In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to listen to unavailable songs on Spotify in 2022. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. For this test, I'm running the latest version of the Spotify app on my Android device, and you might also want to update your Spotify app either on your Android or iPhone device to test this method out. When you open up the Spotify app and you find a song that is unavailable either through a playlist or just a collection of songs, you might notice that the name is grayed out and you don't have any info besides the title of the song. You might notice that you have these three dots at the right side of the screen next to the song name that allows you to like the song or hide this song from that playlist. Regardless of which option you choose, or even clicking on the song title and image, nothing will pop up. This is because, as of 2022 or 2023, Spotify does not allow users to listen to unavailable songs. If a song is grayed out on Spotify and you cannot access it through its title or the image, the song is completely unavailable and there is no workaround to this. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that there is no way to play unavailable songs on Spotify in 2022. If this video helped you clear up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.